Finally, a breathtaking meteor with a shimmering blue exists, but that only makes you want to visit it even more. Seems like someone around there started playing Jumanji.
Pues nada, hay un atardecer muy bonito con los aviones y tal, coches aparcados, una jardinera y de repente ¡pagada!
This might be the most absurd plane accident ever. Or is it a car accident?
Buah, el morro y todo, mira, todo metido para adentro.
That is so scary. That is so scary. And listen to that pour over the mountain and come. That is so cool.
This monstrous structure is an oil rig that's about to be launched into the water. I wonder, what powers such a massive machine? Seems like these guys are considering a move.
Oh, he's gonna be fast. Oh boy.
It's hard to believe this place exists, but that only makes you want to visit it even more. weren't for the calm sea, you might think a tsunami was approaching the shore. But what you're seeing is just a particular type of cloud formation. This mesmerizing phenomenon is called an Arcus cloud. One of the great things about the internet is how it lets you experience things you would otherwise never see, like the process of boarding and disembarking from an icebreaker.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Beautiful vacation spots offer more than just crystal clear waters and white sandy beaches. They also come with serious natural challenges.
Oh my God.
There are plenty of crazy stunts out there, but this one is definitely among the top 10. If these guys were in The Lord of the Rings, the movie would be a lot shorter. Just when you think nature has nothing left to surprise you with, something like this happens. The cause is groundwater seeping through rotting trees. Recently, a breathtaking meteor with a shimmering blue-green color flew across the skies of Portugal. It's a rare chance to catch something like that on camera. Here's what meteorologists mean when they say there's a 50% chance of rain. You're about to see how quickly the landscape can change in just a few minutes. The landslide occurred in Myanmar when the dam holding back waste from jade mining collapsed. Even though these crabs aren't real, encountering them during a night walk would be quite a surprise.
树叶嘛是湿着的嘛是贴的，这是啥子事儿？哎。